Why HashMap is the king of Java collections. Imagine this. You open Instagram. You search your friend's username. Boom. Result appears instantly. You open Google Maps. Search a location. Instant result again. How are these applications finding data so fast? Why try pointing backhand index behind the scenes? One of the biggest concepts used is hashing. And in Java, the most famous implementation is hot beverage Java HashMap. Today, we'll understand what HashMap actually does, how data is stored internally, what happens during collisions, why interviewers love asking this, and how Java optimized HashMap internally. What is HashMap? A HashMap stores data in key, value. Example: map integer, string map is equal to new HashMap. Map.put 101 Sai. Map.put 102 Rahul. Map.put 103 David. Here, key value 101 Sai 102 Rahul 103 David. Now if you do map.get 102, Java instantly returns Rahul. But how? That's where internal working starts. House building real-world example. Think of a huge apartment. Every apartment has flat number, key person name, value. If someone says, go to flat 302, you directly go there. You don't check every room one by one. That direct access idea is exactly what HashMap does. Gear, internal structure of HashMap. Internally, HashMap uses right pointing backhand index array plus linked list plus tree. Main structure: bucket 0, bucket 1, bucket 2, bucket 3. These are called buckets. Each bucket can store nodes. Fire step-by-step internal flow. Suppose we do map.put 101 Sai. Step 1, hashcode generation. Java first calculates hashcode for the key. Example: integer.hashcode 101 returns some integer hash value. Step 2, calculate bucket index. Now Java calculates index is equal to #bucket says. Simplified idea: 101% 16 is equal to 5. So data goes into bucket 5. Step 3, store as node. Internally stored like bucket 5 101 Sai. Node contains hashkey value x pointer direct hit retrieval flow get. Now when you do map.get 101, Java again generates hashcode, finds bucket index, goes directly to bucket 5, compares keys, returns value. That's why average lookup is high voltage sign O1. Very fast. Collision symbol. What is collision? Now comes the most important part. Suppose map.put 101 Sai. Map.put 117 Rahul. And both produce same bucket index. Example: 101% 16 is equal to 5. 117% 16 is equal to 5. Now both go to bucket 5. This is called collision symbol collision. Multiple keys landing in same bucket. Link symbol collision handling before Java 8. Before Java 8, Java used right pointing backhand index linked list. Structure: bucket 5 101 Sai 117 Rahul. When searching, Java traverses node by node. Problem: if collisions increase, time complexity becomes crossmark O N. Performance drops badly. Tree collision handling after Java 8. Java 8 introduced optimization. If bucket size becomes greater than right pointing backhand index 8 nodes. Linked list converts into tree red-black tree. Structure becomes 117 backslash 101 133. Now searching becomes high voltage sign O log n. Huge performance improvement. Package default capacity and load factor. Default capacity 16. Default load factor 0.75. Meaning, when 75% buckets fill, HashMap automatically resizes. Counterclockwise arrows rehashing. When size increases, Java creates 1632 buckets. Then all elements are redistributed. This process is called counterclockwise arrows rehashing warning sign. Why good hashcode matters. Bad hashcode. Return 1. Everything goes into same bucket. Result? O. N. Terrible performance. Good hashcode distributes data evenly. Microphone most asked interview questions 1. Why HashMap is fast? Because it uses hashing and direct bucket access. Average complexity. O. 1. 2 keycap difference between HashMap and hashtable. HashMap hashtable not synchronize rows the faster slower lows null no nulls 3. Why keys should be immutable? If key changes after insertion, HashMap cannot locate bucket properly. That's why string is perfect as key. 4 keycap what happens during collision. Before Java 8 linked list after Java 8 red-black tree after threshold 5. Can HashMap have duplicate keys? Crossmark no. New value replaces old value. Example. Map.put 101 Sai. Map.put 101 Rahul. Output 101 Rahul clapperboard beginner visualization. Think HashMap like key, hash function, bucket index, store retrieve data. That's the entire game. Checkered flag conclusion. So internally HashMap works using hashing buckets linked lists black trees. And because of this combination, Rocket HashMap becomes one of the fastest data structures in Java. That's why almost every backend system, framework, database cache, and large-scale application uses hashing concepts internally. Direct hit final